Hello, Derek here from Acterys. Really excited today to just walk you through what Acterys is and how we change your Power BI environment from a read-only dashboard into a full enterprise-grade planning application. What you can see on the screen here is nothing to do with Acterys. This is just traditionally what we tend to see, a Power BI deployment look like. Obviously, Power BI is an incredibly robust tool, great at pixel perfect dashboards and reporting. It's a reason why 97% of Fortune 500s leverage this technology. However, what you can see by the flow of information on the screen here is it's very much a one-way street. You have all of your source systems on the left-hand side that you're looking to report upon, right? Your CRM data, your ERP data, your HR data, random spreadsheet living on SharePoint, whatever the case is. And then you usually have one of two ways you're bringing that in, either through direct imports, or maybe you bring that into an enterprise data warehouse, make some changes, and then flow that through. But again, what we tend to see is the end users over on the right-hand side, your FP&A team, your PI team, your ops teams, they're able to go in, they're able to view these beautiful reports, but if they want to make a change, if they want to add a comment, if they want to tweak a number, what they usually have to do is go back to those source systems on the left-hand side, make those adjustments, and wait for that data to flow through, or they hit the dreaded export to Excel button and create a data silo somewhere in the organization. I'm sure that resonates with a lot of you. But let's go ahead and have a look at what Acterys does a little bit differently. So here's what we call the future enabled by Acterys. You still have the same source systems you're using to report and plan on. You still may be bringing that actual data in through direct query, but now we're actually setting up a staging layer where you can make adjustments, you can create versions of data, and your end users can actually start to take action and turn Power BI from just a reporting tool into a true planning application. So when your finance team says, well, actually, I don't know what this variance is, I want to add a comment, they can do that. When they want to create a budget version of data, they can do that. And that's all accomplished by our suite of writeback-enabled visuals and a staging layer of data so that we're not going back and making any changes to your source systems. So I think the real takeaway here is we're meeting users where they already work. You don't have to train your end users on a new point solution. You don't have to train your BI team on a whole new kit of tools, right? We're just introducing some writeback-enabled visuals that now you can go and start to build custom applications for individual business problems. You can keep your end users consuming reports inside of an environment they already know, but we're really just supercharging Power BI and adding a whole lot more. So yeah, I encourage you to watch some of our other videos. We'll be going in deep on some of the visuals as well as some of the use cases that, we've built custom applications for. So tune in.